today I am going to take a lecture of operation research and our chapter name is decision theory. Okay, so this is the example of the node saddle point and the mix strategy. Okay, so saddle point, that means we have already seen in our previous lecture. Saddle point, that means maxi mean is equal to mini max. That means if we find the row minimum and after that we choose the maximum value, okay, and if we find the column maximum and after that we choose the minimum value, if both the values are same, then this type of the point is the saddle point. Okay, but the next example is depend on if in our question we are given in the no saddle point and the mix strategy. Okay, so mix strategy, that means what? Player A and player B choose more than one strategy. Okay, so this type of the strategy is called the mix strategy. But in the mix strategy, always the total probability is equal to 1. Okay, but the total strategy always less than 1. That means the individual. Okay, so here this is the example of the player A and player B has the two strategies. Player A has the two strategies, first and second, and player B also has the two strategy, first and second. Okay, so first we check this is no saddle point or saddle point. Okay, so first we find the row minimum. Okay, so in the row minimum we write here 1 and this row minimum we write here 3. Got it? Next one we find the column maximum. Okay, so in the column maximum we write here 5 and column maximum we write here 4. Okay, so first we find the row minimum and after that we find the column maximum. So our next step is what? We choose the maximum value in row minimum. So in this row minimum, the maximum value is 3. That means maxi mean is equal to 3. Got it? And in the column maximum, we choose the minimum value. So this here we write the mini max is equal to 4. So these two values are unequal. Got it? So these two values are unequal. Then we can say that this question has a no saddle point. Okay. So if in our question is not given the saddle point, so what is the process for finding the value of them? Okay. So here we write again our question. Our question is, we write here 1 A strategy 1 and second, and here B player strategy 1 and strategy second. Got it? So here we write here first we write the values 5, 1 and 3 and 4. Got it? So first we check here, this is the no saddle point, that means maxi mean and mini max values is not equal to, then this is unequal value, so this question is not have the saddle point. So our step for finding the value of them is our question not given in the saddle point. Okay, so first we write, first you check here for finding the row value. Listen carefully. First you write here the row value. So you solve second row and write in the first row place. Okay. And you solve the first row and write here the second row place. Okay. So here we write 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and here we write 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, if you write here 3 minus 4, got it? If you write 3 minus 4, so our value is minus 1, so you write here only the positive form, ignore the negative sign. Got it? So here if you write here 3 minus 4, so 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so here you write only the plus 1, ignore the negative sign. Okay, here we write for example 1 minus 5. So we get the minus 4 value. So ignore the negative sign, you write here only the positive 4. Got it? So this is the process of the row form. Okay, next one we write here the column form. Okay, so here for finding the first column place, we solve the second column. That means we write here 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Got it? So next one is what? Next one we find the probability. Okay, so in the probability for player A, first strategy, so you write here 1 divided by 1 plus 4. That means 1 by 5. Got it? And here the probability 4 upon 1 plus 4. That means 4 upon 5. Okay, you check here the total probability is what? Total probability is 1. Okay, and this is the mixed strategy. Okay, why this is the mixed strategy form? Because of here the player A has the two strategies. Okay, and player A choose both two strategies because of the probability of first strategy is 1 by 5 and the probability of the second strategy is 4 by 5. Okay, so 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5 is equal to 1. So total probability is equal to 1 and player A choose the both strategies. Got it? So here next we find the probability. Okay, so probability for finding the player B. So we write here 3 divided by 3 plus 2, that means 3 by 5. Okay, and here we write the 2 upon 3 plus 2, that means 2 by 5. Okay, so player B also choose the both strategy. First strategy the probability is 3 by 5 and the second strategy the probability is 2 by 5. So if we sum both the probabilities, so we get the total value is 1, that means our solution is correct. Okay, that is the probability. According to the probability, our solution is in the correct form. Okay, next one is the we find the value of n. Okay, so we find the method of oddments. Okay, so method of oddments, that means what? Using the as oddment. We write here using the as oddments. Okay, so using the A oddment, so we use the player B. So for B, and we take the first strategy. For player B and we take the first strategy. So we write here. So this is very tricky, actually tricky process. So you listen carefully and see here. We find using the S oddment. So we use the player B strategies of the player B. Okay. So this is the player B strategies. So we check right here 5 into 1 by 5, that means 5 into probability plus 3 into 4 by 5 probability. So we write here 5 into 1 by 5 plus 3 into 4 by 5. So 3 into 4 by 5. Got it? So here the total values is what? 1 plus 12 by 5. That means 17 by 5. Got it? Next one is the next value is we find for B take the second strategy. For B take the second strategy. So process is that 1 multiplied by 1 by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 4 by 5. So we write here 1 multiplied by 1 by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 4 by 5. So here the value is 17 by 5 for A's oddments. Okay, so next we find for B's oddments. So in for finding the B's oddments, we use the player A's strategy. Okay, so here we write using the B's player oddments. Okay, so we write here the B's oddments. B players oddments. Okay, that means for we write here A, take the first strategy. Got it? For A oddments we write here the B strategies, and for B oddments we write here the A strategies. Okay, so A strategies, that means these values. Okay, so process is send 5 into 3 by 5 because of this is the probability. Okay, and 1 into 2 by 5. So we write here 5 into 3 by 5 plus 1 into 2 by 5. Okay, so total value is 17 by 5. Okay, and for A, take the second strategy. Got it? So this is the second strategy for A. So 3 into 3 by 5 plus 4 into 2 by 5. So we write here 3 into 3 by 5 plus 4 into 2 by 5. Okay, so this is the again 17 by 5. Okay, 17 by 5. If in case these four values are not equal, for example, one value is different, that means your solution is incorrect. That means there is some mistake for according to this calculation. Okay, so these values are equal, that means our solution is correct. Okay, so value of GAM is equal to what? The value of GAM is equal to 17 by 5. Value of m is equal to 17 by 5. Okay, and the probability of A, probability of player A is equal to what? The probability of player A is 1 by 5 and 4 by 5. Got it? And the probability of player B is equal to what? The probability of player B is equal to 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Okay, so this type of question, this question is very interesting and very important question by with the help of 2 by 2 matrix. Here the 5, 1, 3 and 4. So we write first you check this is there is some saddle point or not. If this is not a there is no saddle point, so we use this method, and this is the method of oddments. Okay, so here we find the here the mixed strategy. Why here this is the mixed strategy? Because of both the values are less than 1. Got it? Both the values are less than 1, but the sum of both the values is equal to 1. So this is the mixed strategy. In the B player, both the values are less than 1. Okay, but sum of both the values is equal to 1. So this is again the mixed strategy. And one point is very important. This method of oddments always used for 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, only we are given in the 2 by 2 matrix, then we apply the method of oddments. Okay.